Hey, it's Alex. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a reorder point calculator, so you know exactly when to reorder stock before you run out. By the end of this video, you'll not only have an understanding on how reorder points work, but you'll have a ready-to-use spreadsheet to calculate them for your business. You'll be able to download this template and 4 more in the link below, and stick around till the end because I've got something very special that I'd like to offer you. So this is the Reorder Point Calculator. It's one of the sheets in the free Stock Savers inventory operations template. And we're going to start by entering your product or SKU, then plugging in the average daily demand. So this is the average number of units you sell per day, which is going to give us a base demand for that item. So I'm going to go ahead and make the SKU item 1. And I'm going to say that on average, this sells 45 units per day. Next, we're going to enter in the lead time in days, which is how long it takes from when you place an order with your supplier until it arrives. Now, this is crucial because it covers the gap before you get replenishment. So in this example, I'm going to set the lead time as 10 days. Now we've got the safety stock. So this is your buffer for unexpected spikes in demand or supplier delays. Think of it as your insurance policy against stockouts. So every run that I have, I've typically got a safety stock of about, say, 30 units. So the next is to review the auto-calculated reorder point. So this spreadsheet is going to instantly calculate your reorder point using the formula on the right-hand side here. Its reorder point is equal to the daily demand times the lead time plus your safety stock. This is the exact level where you should trigger a new purchase for an order. So whenever your inventory hits this reorder point, that's your signal to order more stock. So no more guessing, no more last minute rush orders. Hopefully you found this helpful and you can apply this to your business. And now, because you've stuck around until the end, here is the special offer that I promised. I've created the Stock Savers 90-day journey, a step-by-step program where we work together to grow profits and cut costs in 90 days, or your money back guaranteed. That means if you don't see measurable results at the end of the program, you don't pay a single cent. On top of that, for the next 50 members only, we're offering a special discounted rate to join. This is the lowest price the program will ever be, and once those 50 spots are taken, the price goes back up. If you've ever felt like your business is leaking money through poor inventory management or inefficient operations, now is the perfect time to fix it. You'll get proven tools, accountability, and direct support from me every step of the way. If you found this video valuable, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below about the biggest inventory challenge you're facing right now. I'll personally reply with tips to help.